Welcome back to our channel, where we provide you with helpful tutorials on various tech topics. In this video, we will guide you step by step on how to privatize your Facebook account and ensure your personal information remains secure. Let's get started. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to www.facebook.com. Once there, enter your Facebook username and password in the provided fields, then click on the Login button. After successfully logging into your account, click on your profile located at the top right corner of your Facebook homepage. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy, and then click on Settings. On the left-hand side of the page, you will see a list of settings. Locate and click on Privacy to access your privacy settings. Now you will see several options to customize your privacy settings. You can choose who can see your future posts, limit the audience for past posts, and control who can send you friend requests. It's important to review these settings and select the options that make you feel comfortable. By default, these are set to public. To change this, click on the Edit button next to each option and choose from the available privacy options. Facebook also provides you with the option to review and manage the data that apps and websites share with them. This includes information such as your posts, likes, and comments. To access these settings, go back to the main settings page and click on Apps and Websites on the left-hand side. From there, you can review and remove any apps or websites that you no longer want to have access to your data. Another important aspect of privacy is controlling who can see your public profile. To access these settings, go back to the main settings page and click on Public Posts on the left-hand side. Here, you can check the visibility of your posts and choose who can follow you. And voila! By following these simple steps, you have successfully privatized your Facebook account and taken control of your online privacy. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Until next time, stay safe and secure online.